Tuingire mathako-inĩ kuria timu ya muthako wa chess ya bengi ya KCB nirahotire University ya Jomo Kenyatta na seti 5-0 na kunyitirira namba ĩmwe rigi-inĩ ya muthako wa chess gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Timu ya KCB iria yũmbĩtwo nĩ athaki Joseph Methu, Ben Ngũkũ, Martin Njoroge, Jackson Kamau na Joyce Nyaruai marahotire timu ya JKUAT ya athaki 5 muthako-inĩ uria ũraharĩrĩirio kĩharo-inĩ gĩa KCB mwena wa Rũaraka. Timu ya KCB rĩu ĩreharĩria kuoha thabarĩ nginyagia bũrũri wa Jeremani kuria kanyita itemi kĩhĩtahĩtano kĩa muthako wa chess thĩ yothe mũico-inĩ wa mweri ũyũ.
So the season has had one minor hiccup in the league, that is, there's a game that we lost. It was quite unnecessary, we didn't need to lose it. But you know, that's how sport is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But we are still topping the table and we want to keep it that way until the end of the season. So the World Chess Body, which is FIDE, has organized the World Rapid Team Chess Championship, which will be held in Germany, starting I think on 25th of this month for a couple of days. And we are lucky and happy that KCB has sponsored us, the chess team, to go there. Now this event is, it basically takes the best teams in every country, the best club teams in every country, and some teams have been nominated. So like in Africa, there are around 5 teams, as at last count, that are going there.